Grammar questions. Read the following passage. Fill in the blanks by choosing the most appropriate option from the ones given below. Write the answers in your answer sheet against the correct blank numbers. Do not copy the whole passage. We are often discouraged by others not to dream. People say dreamers are lose, loss, lost, lose. Dreamers are dash in their own world. Dreamers are lost in their own world. Dreamers are lost in their own world. And dash do anything worthwhile. And don't, didn't, doesn't, and don't do anything worthwhile. They are dash, but to a certain extent. No? They are what? They are right to a certain extent. A person who only dreams and does not do anything to fulfill them will be called a failure in life. Now answer the following questions by selecting the most appropriate option for each. If you let me know earlier, I have been able to come. If you had let me know earlier, I would have been able to come. I am sorry, but I speak a little Spanish. Can't we communicate in English? Or we could, we could go for, I'm sorry, but I speak little Spanish. Can't we communicate in English? We could have it gone in for both the options. The news he reported dash us all. We are all in an odd mood. The news he reported has astonished us all. We are all in an odd mood. I'm sorry, the house is not available any longer. It dash to a timber tycoon. It has been sold to a timber tycoon. Now read the conversation given below and complete the paragraph that follows by filling in the blanks, choosing the correct options from the given ones. Teacher, did you brush your hair this morning? Asha, yes, I did, but the wind blew it about while I was coming to school. Teacher, wear a hairband tomorrow. The teacher, see, you must read these conversations and don't just directly go with the application. The teacher asked dash, Asha replied. Now the teacher, if she had brushed her hair that morning, if she has brushed her hair, if she have or if she will, what will you go in for? Did you brush your hair this morning? Yes, I did. The teacher asked Asha if she had brushed her hair that morning. No. Yes, I did, but the wind blew it about while I was coming to school. Asha replied that she had, but the wind has blown it about, had blown it about, is blown it about, have blown it about. The wind had blown it about. While she, the dash, the while she was coming to school, had been coming, were coming, is while she was coming to school. So when you put it all, it will all come out to be correct. Next. Which option displays the correct change of the following reported speech? She asked, what is it that makes you stronger and braver than other men? She asked him, what was it that made you stronger and braver than other men? She asked him, see, which option displays the correct change of the following reported speech? No? She asked, what is it that makes you stronger and braver than other men? She asked him, what was it that made him stronger and braver than other men? Then we have is, she asked him, what is it that makes him stronger and braver than other men? She asked him what it was that made him stronger and braver than other men. She asked him, what was it that makes him you? Which one we will go for? What is it that makes you stronger and braver than other men? She asked him what it was that made him stronger and braver than other men. He said, they will be using my car for the trip. He said that they would be using his car for the trip. He said that we will be using his car for the trip. He said that they will be using. He said that they would be using my car for the trip. What will we go in for? He said that they would be using his car for the trip. Now read the headlines given below and complete the news stories. Kenya promises to reward athletes. The Kenya government has promised to give cash rewards to the gold medal winners at the World Athletics event. Has promised. Parliament rejects resolution. The Parliament dash the Pakistan National Assembly. The Parliament has rejected the Pakistan National Assembly resolution, saying that it has absolutely rejected. Delhi and Punjab dash the boys and girls titles respectively in the National Sub-Junior Championship. Delhi and Punjab have won, wins, has won. Batao. Delhi and Punjab have won. Edit the passage below by choosing the appropriate options. It was quite pleasant working for my master. I made tea at the morning and then would take my time. It was quite pleasant working for my master. It was quite pleasant. Which one will you go in for? It was quite pleasant working for my master. I made tea in the morning and then would take my time dash to buy the day's supplies. Then would take my time. You got to coordinate here. And then take my time to buy the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about rupee a day. I think he knew I made a little money, but he did not seem to mind. So these were the question answers, and there are ample of exercises in your max marks, and I am very sure when you will be practicing them, you will be greatly benefited. All the questions have an answer key, and whenever you get stuck up or you are little doubtful about it, the rules are there before that. So wherever you just circle it, connect it to your rules, go through where that rule is being applied, apply that rule, and you will be for sure able to find out the correct answer. In case if still you carry on with your doubt, then you must consult your subject teacher. Do not leave the doubt as it is. It needs to be solved. The confidence needs to come, and that will come only when you had sufficient practice. And I am sure just right from the first page till the last page, you must practice and practice. Wish you all the very best for your term 2 examinations. Wish you very bright, good future. Be good children, be good sons and daughters, and have a great life ahead. God bless you.